Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to start using Helium 10. If you are an Amazon seller looking to improve your product research or listing optimization and overall sales strategy, then Helium 10 is the tool for you. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of getting started with Helium 10, including how to set up your account, navigate the dashboard, and utilize the key features to drive your Amazon business forward. So without further talking, let's get started with this video guys. So, the first thing that we need to do guys is simply go to the URL section from over here and then search for Helium 10. So let's do that real quick, Helium 10. And now all you need to do is click on this link over here as you can see. So click on this link and go back. Now all you need to do is sign up for a free account. You can do that by clicking over here or over here. So they are both the same. So let's click here and let's go back. Here all you need to do is put the name, email, password, and for example you can do this here, an email, something like that, and like so. And here the password, it has to be 8 characters, a mixture of letters, numbers, special characters, cannot contain part of your email. So let's try to do something like so. All right, I agree, and then let's sign up. Now this is the account I have created. It's created in couple seconds. Now as you can see, these are some questions to identify ourselves. So let's start with how would you identify yourself? So are you a seller, brand, agency, consultant, or like aggregator? Now let's start for example with a seller. Currently sell on Amazon, and then let's click on next. Here, let's click on Connect to Search Central, or you can just keep it not right now. Here, you can choose what is your sales volume in typical month. Let's say less than 10K, then let's click on Next. Here, I'll get your Platinum to get expanded access, or just keep it free. I'm going to choose not right now for the moment. And now, the dashboard shall be created for us. Now, you can watch this video to go through the dashboard, or you can just skip it. So for now, you can connect to Amazon through here. You can connect to your Amazon account. So you just have to click over here and they will take you to Amazon account. So you just have to log in and they will be connected to see your product and analyze them. Now let's go through the dashboard. Let's go to tools and here we're gonna choose the black box. So this one is the tool that we will use to actually search for Amazon products. So here we go. And here guys, as you can see, there is two ways of searching. There is the simple one and the advanced one. You can choose the simple one for now, and then we will go to the advanced one. So let's start with the simple one. Here I want to sell a product. So first of all, in the American Amazon, here the marketplace, for example, the category, let's choose for example cell phones and accessory or computers and accessory. Here that needs, for example, let's choose this first. I want to sell my product for price range, so let's say 30 to 100. Here that needs so improvement range a little. Here with a monthly revenue of like 0 to 1k, 1k to 10k, and here improvement where competition is, so let's say medium. Now let's zoom out, and now as you can see, let's click here to search. So let's search for it. Now here it is, all the product that you might have in Amazon that are in the similar category that you have chosen. So let's check this. For example, this is like a product in Amazon, so let's check it. Here it is. I don't know what is this, but it has some rating. It is really good. So it says about, I don't know what the price is. I don't think it shows me the price because I'm not from USA, but overall it will show us here. So here it is. So the price is 56 bucks and the monthly sales are about 24 per month and the monthly revenue is 1k per month. It has so many reviews, and as you can see, it is really famous. As you can see, there is so many people selling it, and there is not so many people, I mean not 100 of people, it is like dozens of people. That means that the competition in that market of this like object is not really that far. It is not really that strong. So you can really buy it and then resell it on Amazon, and you will be really one of the competitor. So you will have your place in the market, and you will start making benefits through it. Now let's try to search by using keywords. Here we can choose, for example, search volume. We can, for example, make from 100 to 200. This is an example. Monthly revenue, we can choose, for example, 3 or let's 600 to 1k. Here the price about 40 to 70 or 80, and we don't really need those. Here categories, we're going to choose the same thing. So PC, computer, and accessories. Here I'm going to choose, for example, RAM, and we can fill this information by your own. For me, I'm just going to keep it that way. Let's say, for example, here the competition numbers. So I'm going to add this one from 10 to 30, and let's click here to search. Now, as you can see, it has to look through their website. So as you can see, searches remaining, you have 4. So we really need to use it wisely. So if you click search over here, they will take you directly to a page with the search. So now I'm just going to keep those so we can use them in other sections. So we have 4 more sections to use. Now let's go to the third section. So now guys, we're gonna go to the advanced thing or the advanced method. So let's click in here on the advanced logo, and here it is how we're gonna search. So this is most detailed research that you can do about a product that's possibly like available. So here is the product, here the category and subcategory. Here, for example, you can choose computer accessory. Here the review count, let's choose 10. So let's make it around this. So here we go. Here review count to 10 to 30. Here review rating from 3 to 5. And let's choose this as well. So bestseller rank, not really a thing for us. So here shipping size, we can choose more, large, and something like that. Weight from 0 to 100. Here fulfillment Amazon, and here number of images. It doesn't really matter. Title keyword as well. Here we can choose, for example, um, PC, and let's go back over here. So here you can choose this the information for the product. Here for the competitors, you can see the number of sellers. So to see if the market has a medium competition or large or small, here I'm going to put 100. So here it is. Here for price, I'm going to choose 40 to 60, and let's see if they're gonna let us search for it. So let's search, and here they are the products. So there is no data about such a product that I have chosen. So you can search for a product that will be available, and that will actually give you the results for it. I'm not really a Amazon seller, so that's why I had zero data. So if you filled this with the correct informations, you might have the answer that you are looking for. So let's try to do only this. It's not really gonna give us an answer because we didn't fill all of this information. We really have to give all the information possible to actually get it. Now let's go to niche. Here guys, you can search for niches. So here you just have to put the phrase, category, monthly revenue, price, review count, and review rating, and you will have the results. And here finally product targeting. So here the same thing. Put the category, monthly revenue, price, review count, review rating, and the source, which is in our case you can choose Amazon. And then after that, click on search. Of course, you can use advanced filters to actually get the most specific thing that you are looking for, but overall you can get it through this method. So this is pretty much it. That's how you can use black box in Helium 10 to actually search for products for your Amazon account and start selling and get the profit that you ever imagined to get. So guys, thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video.